Good morning, people of the Republic of the Philippines, especially the Beach and Awards Committee of this District Engineering Office, prospected bidders, TWG, and Secretariat. Welcome to this opening of bids for goods for contract ID number 24LP0001, 24LP0002, 24GKJ0003. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request the secretariat to have the attendance.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. I will call the roll to determine the quorum. We have our back chairperson and chief of administrative section, Mukamadali P. Pundugar.
Present.
Back vice chairperson and chief of planning and design section, Efren A. Tulod. Back regular member and chief of construction section, Naida Sata. Back
Welcome.
regular member and Chief of Quality Assurance Farida O. Manan, and back provisional member, Chief of Maintenance Section Eleanor F. Cabaluna. All are present, Mr. Chair, and we have an overwhelming quorum.
Overwhelming.
Yeah.
So, continue the acknowledgement.
Oh, okay. For our TWG, we have Head of TWG, Engineer Sukarno M. Hajinor. Other TWG members, Engineer Sherin Eve Maagad, Engineer Ernesto Roel Chu III, Engineer Juris S. Quadrillero, Mr. Atilano Gahi Jr., Mr. Ivan Sinahon. Who else? For back secretariat, we have Architect Aisel Velarde, Engineer Ibrahim M. Makadindang, Ms. Salma Amer, Mr. Julito Magno, Mr. Rani Hardinaso, Ms. Nora Anoos, Engineer Aljunaira A. Miraato, and Mr. Jaime Mishona. Other that I did not call. Okay, that's for participating contractors. We have Richard Marchan from Shell, Labor Pacquiao, Osmondo Kutab, Michael Maghanoy, and wait, from Perez Shell Station, Verleth Dalig. And that's all, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Madam Chair, thank you. It's not that engineer Paul, Mayrosa, and District are excused for the
QAO inspection.
Ladies and gentlemen, since there is a quorum, we will formally open the opening of bids for goods, and we will invoke the presence of our Almighty God. Engineer Sukarno, please give us the prayer. May we ask the secretariat if there were online submission of bid?
There is none, Mr. Chair.
There is none. Okay. Thank you. We will proceed for the opening of bids. Secretariat, first envelope. Paring, you read the labor package, no? Okay.
One. Good morning. Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is 24 LP 001, repair maintenance of the DPWH storage room, Lanao del Norte, 1st District Engineering Office. The first bidder is Michael Maghanoy. Bid form. Ito. Schedule of works. Detailed estimate. Pacquiao agreement. Affidavit of declaration of no relationship. Certification as to compliance of existing labor laws and standards. Okay na? Mr. Chair, okay na yan? With a bid amount of 69,136 pesos only. 69,136 only. No discount offered. Ricardo Marchand. Bid form. Application to undertake work by Pacquiao system. Schedule of works. Detailed estimate. Pacquiao agreement. Affidavit of disclosure of no relationship. And standards. With a bid amount of 70,000. 70,398,000 pesos only. 70,398,000 with no discount offered. 70,398 pesos only. No discount offered. For Osmondo Kotab, bid form. Application to undertake work by Pacquiao. Schedule of works. detailed estimates, Pacquiao Agreement, affidavit of disclosure of no relationship, certification as to compliance of existing labor and standards with a bid amount of 71,181 pesos only. Murag insik money writing niya. 71,181 pesos only with no discount offer. That's all, Mr. Chair, for the 24 LP 001.
Okay, Engineer Manan, thank you. The result of abstract of bid as read for 24 LP 0001. We have Michael Maghanoy, lowest bidder with bid amount of 69,136 pesos only with 22.92% variance. Next ID.
ID number 24 LP002, Repair Maintenance of DPWH Lanao del Norte, 1st District Engineering Office, Maintenance Building, Comfort Room and Pantry. Bid form. Application to undertake work by Pacquiao System, Pacquiao Agreement, disclosure of no relationship, detail execute of works, detailed estimate, with a bid amount of 42,665 pesos only. 42,665 pesos only with no discount offered. Next. Richard Marchand. Richard. Bid form. Pacquiao System. Pacquiao Agreement. Affidavit of disclosure of no relationship. Existing labor laws and standard. Schedule of works. And detailed estimate with a bid amount of 43,358 pesos only. 43,358 pesos only with no discount offered. Osmondo Potab. Bid form. Undertake work by Pacquiao System, Pacquiao Agreement, Affidavit of disclosure of no relationship, existing labor laws and standard, detailed estimate, schedule of works, with a bid amount of 43,175 pesos only. 43,175 pesos only with no discount offered. Mr. Chair, that's all for 24 LP 002.
Thank you, Engineer Manan. The result of abstract of bid as read for contract ID number 24LP0002. We have Michael Maganoy, lowest bidder, with bid amount of 42,665 pesos only, with a 3.56% variance. Next, contract ID, please.
Next, contract ID number 24GKG003. Purchase of fuel for use in the various motor vehicle of DPWH Lanao del Norte, 1st District Engineering Office. Paris Shell Station. Belgips registration. Certificate of Incorporation. Business permit. List of ongoing contracts. Notice of award. Notice of proceed. Notice of post-qualification. Karami-rami. Single largest completed contract is purchase order, certificate of acceptance, completion, annual income tax return, NFCC, tax clearance, bid securing declaration, product and delivery schedule, technical specification proposal, manpower requirements, after sales service parts, schedule of requirements, omnibus or statement, special power of attorney, pass for the financial bid form, special power of attorney, bill of quantities with a bid amount of 1,246,000. 1,246,387 pesos only. With no discount offered. 1,246,387 pesos only.
Thank you, Ma'am Farida Manan. The result of the abstract of bid as read for contract ID number 24 GKG 0003. Loan bidder, Parish Shield Station with bid amount of 1,246,387 pesos. Okay, welcome to the private conference Civil Works for contract ID 24KG 0047. Planning, you are welcome to present the Civil Works.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning once again, everyone. And this is for our private conference. We have rainwater collector. No? Then may I may we acknowledge Leto Magno, sir, for Mr. Chair to discuss to us a brief presentation of our project to be procured. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, sir. For the project title is Rainwater Collector in Public Facilities, 24 kg 0047. We have 8 projects or the 8 beneficiaries. Namely, one is Barangay Hall at Kawit Oriental, Kauswagan, Lanao del Norte. Number 2, Covered Court at Bagumbayan, Kauswagan, Lanao del Norte. 3, Department of Agriculture Training Center at Barangay Pangi, Matunggaw, Lanao del Norte. 4, Eco Center at Sitio Manadi, Barangay Puracan, Linamon, Lanao del Norte. 5, NCP Building at Kampung Pantar, Lanao del Norte. 6, Rural Health Unit at Matunggaw, Lanao del Norte. 7, Multipurpose Center at Poblacion Pantar, Lanao del Norte. And lastly, the Super Health Center at Dimayon, Taguluan, Lanao del Norte. This is the 8 location map of the projects. The project description is project duration is 60 calendar days. Physical target of 8 rainwater collector system. The description of work to be done is other structural regional requirements. 2, earthwork. 3, plain and reinforced concrete works. 4, finishing and other civil works. 5 is water tank. These are the minimum equipment requirements: backhoe, dump truck, plate compactor, bar cutter, single piece, bar binder, one bagger mixer, concrete vibrator, welding machine, gas diesel driven, and cutting out pit. The approved budget for the contract is 2,895,000 only. Reminders for the interested contractor. The contractor must observe the following in the bidding documents: A, pagination; B, side tabbing, arrange and level according to checklist; C, table of contents that will harmonize the pagination and side tabbing; These are the preliminary examination of technical components of the bid, and the other one is the preliminary examination of financial components of the bid. Thank you, Mr. Chair. That's all.
Okay. The presentation on the rainwater collector is completed by Engineer Magno. Any comments?
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
in addition, Mr. Chair, as just a friendly reminder to our prospective and interested bidders to keep on visit our website for updates for possible supplemental bid bulletin, and we already post a schedule for site inspection in our office. Then further, Mr. Chair, the deadline of submission of this bid is on April 29, 2024. Thank you, Mr. At 10 o'clock. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
All prospective bidders, the presentation and the additional information from the planning is very clear. So we invite you every now and then to visit the planning section for additional inputs and other updates. Accordingly, they are ready for the site visits. And kindly keep in touch with the publication for possible supplemental bid bulletin. So, any other reaction? If there's none, the previous conference is hereby adjourned, and we will proceed with the scheduled re-echo.